Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to discuss the topic gravitation from 10th standard, part 1st, chapter number 2. The name of the topic is gravitation. As you know, the word itself, that gravitation means what? That any object when falls on the ground, it is attracted by the earth, so that is called as a gravitation. But how that gravitation is discovered, then who discovered the gravitation? So these basic concepts today we are going to discuss. Before it, student, you are familiar with the some forces like the magnetic line of force, then we can say that the electrostatic force, then the gravitational force, muscular force. Okay, that means you are familiar with the 3 to 4 type of the forces in previous standard also or in lower classes. Now from which today we are going to discuss the gravity, gravitational force, acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so the first question in your mind will come that what is mean by the gravitation? Student, question is what is mean by the gravitation? That means it's introductory knowledge. So just see that one day the great scientist Isaac Newton just sit under the tree, okay, and that tree was of the apple. So apple just fell on his head, and he thought that why that apple just falls on, that means fall on his head and not on the horizontal direction or the vertical direction. वो क्या सोच में पड़ गया, ये जो एप्पल है वो नीचे डाउनवर्ड ही क्यों आए, वो हॉरिजॉन्टल क्यों नहीं गए, क्यों वर्टिकल नहीं गए. ओके, एंड दैट टाइम वन tube light that ignited in his mind. That one day Newton was just sit under the tree. Already I told you that an apple just falls on his head. That time he thought that some force is attracting to the apple. उसने क्या सोचा, ये जो अर्थ है वो क्या कर रही है, एक फोर्स उस एप्पल पर अप्लाई कर रही है. That's why that apple is coming on the ground, and he wondered and he came to the conclusion that that is due to the gravity. So what is meant by the gravity? Gravity is the force, okay, which is exerted by the earth on any object. Student, that object may be the small object, that may be the fruit, that may be the stone, whatever. Okay, so our earth exerts a force on each and every object present into the that our system, that may be the moon also. Okay, so that force is the gravity force. Thus that Newton come to the conclusion that the force exerted by the earth on every object, okay, what he is saying, the force exerted by the earth on every object is the gravitational force. For example, let's see another example here. You are seeing one boy is there, and that boy is just what he is doing, just playing with the ball. When he left the ball from his hand, that time what I said, he leaves. Then जेव्हा ball सोडलाय, when he leaves the ball, that time that ball falls on the ground. Why this happen? This is due to the gravity. Okay, why such type of conditions happen that ball falls on the ground? This is due to the gravity and the gravitational force. So let's come to the conclusion that gravitational force is nothing but the force exerted by the earth on each and every object present on the our earth surface, or it may be on some particular distance, okay, from the earth surface. So that is the gravitational force. Okay, so today in this lecture we discuss the types of forces, then we discuss detail what is meant by the gravity, what is meant by the gravitational force with the help of our best and great scientist Newton. Okay, in next lecture we are going to discuss the Newton's law of gravitation and also the Kepler's law of the planetary motion. So today we are going to stop here. Take care. Bye bye.